Alright, so this video is going to show you how to calculate the empirical formula. So let's start with our example. Calculate the empirical formula for a compound containing 4 moles of hydrogen and 2 moles of oxygen. So we have H and we have O. We have 4 of O and 2 moles of H. So the first step, calculate the amount of moles of each element given. Well, that information was given to us, so that step is done. Divide each mole amount by the smallest mole amount calculated. So 2 is smaller than 4, so the division step, we are going to do 4 by 2, which gives us 2, and 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. So this gives us a nice ratio. So we are going to write the formula using the ratios that we just calculated. So we have H, and there's 2 of them, and O, and there is 1 of them. So this is the empirical formula given this problem of H2O. Next example, we have magnesium, sulfur, and oxygen. And for moles, we have 1.5. We have 1.5 moles of sulfur, and there are 6 moles of oxygen. So we need to divide each mole amount by the smallest mole amount calculated. So in this case, the smallest amount happens to be the same for 2 different atoms. That's okay. The step doesn't change, it's just 1.5 divided by 1.5. Ooh, that's no good. And which is 1. Same here, 1.5 divided by 1.5 is 1. And lastly, for oxygen, 6 divided by 1.5. Well, 1.5 times 2 is 3, so twice that. So 6 divided by 1.5 is 4. So now we just need to write out the elements with these numbers we calculated in step 2. So Mg1, S1, O4. So the formula, and it's hard to see, let me write it over here. The formula just ends up being MgSO4 for that example. And that's how you calculate empirical formula.